So you will, for the positive terminal, that is where you want to connect the other wires that you passed through the engine bay this side. So the positive side, you get one fuse. For example, you can use the horn fuse. This is the horn fuse. So you will remove the fuse. Then after removing the fuse, there is this fuse accessory. What you do, you put the mother fuse, the parent fuse, the one you removed from here, put it in the first slot. Then your accessory fuse, you put it in the second slot. These ones can be accessed in an electrical shops. So after putting the two fuses, you insert back, and that's your positive. Then the negative, you just connect it to the ground. So I will use this. I will tie it to this one. This one will work as the ground from this side, the engine bay. I connect to the ground. So your negative from the engine bay will go to the ground. The positive will go to the fuse here, and that's all.